Want to win my 420 horsepower Evo 10? Boy, all I have to do is hit the subscribe button. That's the major entry. Follow us on Instagram at Mechanical High. Also, you'll get another entry if you post about the giveaway. We'll have a picture up on our Instagram that you can repost. It'll be super easy. Everything will be in the description below and have links and everything. Yeah, guys, it's pretty much in your hands. So, if you want to win my Evo, subscribe, and these could be yours. Y'all stay original out there.
Hey guys, so in order to get this car on the road, we have a lot to do. We have all the underbody to do, which means all the e-brake stuff's gotta go all the way back up. It's got a couple underbody braces. And these, they have wasp nests on them. Other than that, the gauge just stopped working. I'm assuming I popped a fuse somewhere. And here, if you want to come take a look at this. My coin system is almost pristine.
Look at that.
That's
yeah.
That's got to get done. We got radiator flush. If that doesn't work, I'll be buying new cooling parts. Let's go.
Cool.
Thank you. Will I get stuff in my eyes?
I should have warned you not to go too hard.
Okay, next two.
I was electric boy right here.
Alright, so Quinn is finishing up putting the last bracket right there. Then after that we should
Swap into a 12.
pretty much be done.
I don't know where the fuse is for the instrument panel. We got a fuse box in here and a fuse box in there. So we're gonna start with this one. This has been going on for 30 years. I'm gonna go pull every single fuse.
Yep, that's a small fuse box.
Yep. AW11. 2.
These little lights like actually save your life, just FYI. Get them. Or commandeer them, either way.
Yep. Not under there.
Yeah, pretty much not under there. That's for like the radiator and everything, not the actual instrument panel. So into the interior we go.
That was a very satisfying noise.
Yes, it was. And just like that, we are in the interior, and I think there's a spider in my hat. Please hold.
Good photo. Just be more troubleshooting. Helm light. Cool beans.
That's actually really cool. Is there another fuse box down here?
I think so. 1 second.
Good. I mean, I actually have to get out and look. Ew. There are actually a few fuses.
Any diagrams?
There are 2 fuses and a bunch of plugs.
I think just AC and heat. So that's what it said on this one.
All right, so while Quinn is replacing the fuse that he just dropped into Narnia, we're also about to go grab the keys and turn it on just to see if the actual gauge is not turning on, which is just a fluke. Because all the fuses that we just checked are fine. So
I'm gonna play with this.
We don't know.
I mean, it's good enough. It's supposed to be 7.5, but
It'll work.
it'll connect power, right?
Hopefully, possibly. Cool. Back to the thing.
Alright, cool beans. Punch in.
Lock you back into place. Starts up real easy now.
Still no gauges though. Here's the thing though, the lights work. You can't see them because it's so bright in here. Radio works, so that's getting all power.
Might have just like unplugged something.
Yes, because that usually works.
Dude, it did in my Del Sol. Remember when they went to work and I'd slap it and it'd work?
Fair.
Harv does it in his truck. Horn don't work. Oh, okay, that's working now.
Awesome. All right, y'all probably see this in like 15 seconds when we figure out what it is, but we're gonna do more research, so we'll be back.
All right, guys, so been working on the car a bit, and I figured out why my gauges are not working. I'm also gonna probably upload this as a separate video just for MR2 owners, because I'm sure this is a common issue. So what was happening is, let me flip this around. None of these gauges were working, obviously. Battery wouldn't jump up when you turned the key on. Tack wasn't working, speedo. I'm sure that would work if I drove it because it's cable driven. Temp wasn't working, and oil level. Anyways, so on this pin right here, second one from the left is your ignition positive. That wasn't getting any signal whatsoever, so I ran that right here, spliced down, and I spliced into my positive wire that come running off my ignition. It was spliced right here. And now, I'm not gonna start the car right now, so I just started it. I don't wanna keep doing cold starts, cutting it off. And I hope I connected the battery. You can see when the key's up to the on position. I actually put that in. My warning lights are now on. Battery voltage jumped up. Oil pressure's right there, the car's not running. Watch the tack. Never mind, you can't see it. Anyways, the gauges are now actually working. So, one step closer. Another thing we gotta do to get this thing going is fix this ratty coolant system. We've already filled it with coolant once and ran it. So I'm gonna drain that out and we're gonna put another gallon of this in here and just keep running it until we get all this rust out. If you look in here, it's already starting to like clear up a bit, and it's a bit sludgy still, but it's clean up over what it was.
Yeah, it's still kind of bad though.
Yes, that, and we got a vacuum to find. A pretty bad vacuum. We'll find it.
Yep.
When I buy a jack, I buy the loudest one possible. What?
I'm just gonna put the next one day. Yep. Quinn just pulled the plug for the coolant system in order to drain the coolant system, and well, we wonder why it's not draining.
It's drippy.
Yeah, just so much crap on that.
This is just gonna need a whole new coolant system too.
It might, honestly.
This is gonna need a whole new coolant system.
This is bad.
Come look at this. This is bad, bad.
Real bad.
So we need a new radiator?
Yeah.
We're gonna need new hoses, new...
Well, maybe not new hoses because it's flowing, but
Oh my gosh.
it won't even drain. Like this, you're only supposed to crack this like 2 turns. It's supposed to start draining. It won't even drain. There's so much crud in it.
Well, the real question is there fluid in it right now?
Yeah. There's fluid all the way through the system.
And as you can see, it's not draining.
Hey, take a one of those the doodly things. You know what I'm talking about? A doodly ting? No, the thing, dude. Why? Huh?
Pipe cleaners?
I guess a pipe cleaner, yeah, and try to jam it up there and see if you can get the gunk out.
Stir it up or
Yeah,
pull it out.
exactly. That's bad. Wow.
That's like, I'm gonna have to order a whole new coolant system from Rock Auto. Bad.
Wow.
You've seen us use it before, or you just saw us use that. It is the old spray the carb cleaner around, and it'll give you the general area of where it is because your RPMs will rise with the vacuum leak.
Because this is highly combustible.
Yeah, we are going to pull the mass airflow sensor, give it a good clean, and from there we will see what it does. I think there's definitely still a vacuum leak in the system.
Yeah.
You can hear it misfiring when it revs down.
Yeah, it kind of flutters when the RPMs are dropping.
Yeah.
Which usually
means there's a pop vacuum leak somewhere.
Yeah, exactly. It usually means it's pulling in an air from somewhere that it should not be pulling in air from.
Yep.
That was great.
Their maps from this era are awful. I had to do this on the Super's original mode. They're these pumpkin boxes, dude.
We got the time lapse going for you guys.
Camera's doing well. We have 2 cameras now, by the way,
Yeah,
guys.
we've upgraded.
You're gonna have to take it all apart, Quinn.
This was what it looks like. I'll have to go over the workbench real quick. You know what makes this way worse?
What?
I'm waiting for you to say it. I don't have my cart. My box, dude. I don't have my box.
Bye. I will not be in the rest of this video because I'm leaving.
So pissed he doesn't have a box.
Do you want to
About
let
that
the viewers know what that inside joke is?
I got it. This dude spent $900 on a Blue Point, which is the Snap-on secondary.
I bought a Snap-on toolbox and he's getting all pissed. It was $900. That's not a bad deal.
$900. We went to Home Depot, Husky box. Husky, great brand. 3-year warranty or lifetime warranty on their tools. Like $400 and something.
Look, dude.
You do the math. You tell me. Same size, same number of drawers. Now he's throwing stuff at me.
Look, dude. Okay. Yeah, you can.
He's angry.
You can wear the normal Adidas, but would you rather have the Yeezys?
I do have Yeezys.
Exactly.
So fight me.
Exactly. I can make fun of you for wearing the Yeezys over or buying Yeezys over normal Adidas. So you see me through it? Boom. It's getting stuck right there. It's barely hitting. Then I can.
Yeah.
That'll do her.
So you just gotta clean out that gunk from within there so it can slide up.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Wait. I have found our leak. This must connect to this. Now you might think those don't connect to each other, but I found this mysterious hose underneath the car.
Dun dun dun!
Where could it possibly go to?
Is the hose is destroyed though?
Yeah, I know, it's been sitting for a while. I know.
Oh my gosh! What are the odds? I like the color too.
Oh, I'll replace it eventually. It's just testing purposes.
Alright, fire up Quinn if you want.
Let's go! Let's go! Fully bottom out. Fall down!
Nice that stabilizer. For days. Holy cow, it runs.
Let's go.
It actually runs and drives.
That's awesome. So guys, we just got this thing first drive in 3 years. It's been sitting, has not moved under its own power in that long, and now it just did a lap around my cul-de-sac. There's a lot to do on this, so please stay tuned. Hit that subscribe button. We are posting content regularly. We'd love to get our sub numbers up because this guy will give you his Evo if we get to 125,000 subs. So thank you to all my friends, Robbie for helping me work in the car. Tony's been a huge inspiration, especially with his car with his pop-up headlights. You got pop-up headlights. So please hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and remember, when you're working on your 90s Nugget, stay original.
Not too bad. It's going out.